Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly amass wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Did you know that 80% of millionaires are self-made, meaning they didn't inherit their wealth but built it from the ground up? The secret lies in their habits. Welcome to the exploration of Million Dollar Habit by Stellan Moreira, a transformative guide that unveils the secrets to financial success through actionable strategies and mindset shifts. So, grab your notepad and buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that could change your financial future forever. Chapter 1. The Power of Mindset. Mindset is the foundation upon which all success is built. In this chapter, Moreira delves deep into the psychology of wealth, emphasizing the critical role that mindset plays in achieving financial success. Habit 1. Reframe your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Many people operate from a mindset of scarcity, believing there is never enough to go around. Shifting to an abundance mindset means recognizing that there are ample opportunities and resources for everyone. Start by conducting a self-assessment to identify any limiting beliefs. Use daily affirmations like, "I am worthy of financial success," and visualize your financial goals as already achieved. Create a vision board with images and quotes that represent your desired financial future. Habit 2. Practice cognitive restructuring. Cognitive restructuring involves changing the way you think about certain situations to alter your emotional responses and behaviors. Identify negative thoughts and challenge them. For instance, if you think, "I'll never be good with money," reframe it to, "I am learning to manage my money wisely." Keep a thought journal to track and challenge negative thoughts, replacing them with positive, empowering ones regularly. Chapter 2. Habits of Millionaires. Success is not a result of luck or chance. It's a product of consistent habits. Moreira identifies the key habits that millionaires attribute to their success and provides actionable strategies for readers to incorporate these habits into their daily lives. Habit 3. Set smart goals. Setting smart goals helps clarify your objectives and create a clear roadmap for achievement. Break down your financial goals into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound steps. Write down your goals and review them regularly, setting both short-term and long-term goals. Habit 4. Create a daily routine. Successful people often have structured daily routines that maximize their productivity and focus. Develop a routine that includes time for work, learning, exercise, and relaxation. Use a planner or digital calendar to schedule your daily activities and stick to your routine consistently. Habit 5. Practice visualization. Visualization helps reinforce your goals and keep you motivated by picturing your success. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial goals as already achieved. Create a detailed mental image of what financial success looks like for you, and combine visualization with affirmations for maximum impact. Habit 6. Maintain discipline and persistence. Discipline and persistence are crucial for overcoming obstacles and staying focused on your long-term goals. Develop habits that reinforce your goals, such as saving regularly and avoiding unnecessary spending. Create a reward system for meeting your financial milestones, and use accountability partners to stay on track. Chapter 3. Financial discipline. Financial discipline is the bedrock of wealth building. Moreira provides practical strategies for managing money effectively and cultivating financial discipline. Habit 7. Create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you make informed financial decisions. Develop a budget that includes all your income sources and expenses, and review it regularly. Use budgeting apps or tools to automate the process and set budget limits for different spending categories. Habit 8. Live below your means. Living below your means involves prioritizing needs over wants and avoiding unnecessary expenditures. Evaluate your current spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Create a list of essential expenses versus discretionary spending and challenge yourself to find cheaper alternatives for non-essential items. Habit 9. Allocate income to savings and investments. Paying yourself first by saving and investing a portion of your income ensures long-term financial security. Automatically transfer a portion of your income to savings and investment accounts. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts and determine a percentage of your income to save and invest each month. Habit 10. Track expenses. Tracking expenses helps you stay aware of your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Regularly review your spending to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Keep a detailed log of all your expenses and use apps that categorize and analyze your spending. Habit 11. Renegotiate bills. Lowering your monthly expenses by renegotiating bills and subscriptions can free up money for savings and investments. Review your monthly bills and look for opportunities to negotiate lower rates. Contact service providers to request better rates or discounts, and compare different service providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Chapter 4. Embracing risk and failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a necessary stepping stone. Moreira challenges readers to reframe their perception of failure and embrace it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Habit 12. Reframe failure as feedback. Viewing setbacks as valuable lessons can help you grow and improve. Analyze failures to understand what went wrong and how to do better next time. Keep a failure journal to document and reflect on your setbacks and develop a plan to address the causes of each failure. Habit 13. Take calculated risks. Stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing uncertainty can lead to significant opportunities. Assess the potential benefits and risks of each decision before taking action. Perform a risk-benefit analysis for major decisions and start with small, manageable risks, gradually taking on bigger challenges. Habit 14. Practice fear setting. Fear setting involves identifying your fears, evaluating the potential consequences, and developing risk mitigation strategies. Break down your fears into manageable parts to understand and address them. List your fears, analyze the worst-case scenarios, and develop contingency plans to mitigate risks. Habit 15. Build resilience. Learning from mistakes and continuing to move forward builds resilience and confidence. Develop coping strategies to handle setbacks effectively. Engage in activities that build mental and emotional resilience, such as mindfulness and stress management, and surround yourself with supportive people who encourage you to persevere. Chapter 5. Self-awareness and personal development. Self-awareness is the key to unlocking your full potential. Moreira guides readers through a series of self-assessment exercises to deepen their understanding of themselves and their goals. Habit 16. Reflect on strengths and weaknesses. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses helps you focus on areas where you can improve. Conduct regular self-assessments to identify areas for personal growth. Use tools like SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to evaluate yourself and seek feedback from others to gain additional insights. Habit 17. Commit to lifelong learning. Continuously investing in education and skill building ensures you remain competitive and adaptable. Make a commitment to learn something new regularly. Enroll in courses, attend workshops, and read books related to your field, setting learning goals and tracking your progress. Habit 18. Seek feedback. Feedback from mentors or peers can provide valuable insights into your performance and areas for improvement. Regularly seek constructive feedback to enhance your growth. Create a network of trusted individuals who can provide honest feedback and act on the feedback received to make necessary improvements. Habit 19. Set personal growth goals. Establishing clear objectives for your personal and professional development helps you stay focused and motivated. Break down your growth goals into manageable steps. Write down your goals and review them regularly, developing a plan with specific actions and timelines for achieving your goals. Habit 20. Journal regularly. Journaling helps you reflect on your experiences and track your progress. Make journaling a daily habit to document your thoughts and insights. Use a structured format for your journal entries, such as daily prompts or free writing, and review your journal regularly to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Chapter 6. Building relationships and networks. Success is not achieved in isolation. It's built on relationships. Moreira explores the importance of building strong relationships and networks to support your journey to success. Habit 21. Network actively. Networking helps you connect with like-minded individuals and build valuable relationships. Attend events and join organizations related to your field. Make a list of relevant networking events and organizations to join, and prepare an elevator pitch to introduce yourself effectively. Habit 22. Build mentorship relationships. Mentors provide guidance, support, and valuable insights based on their experience. Seek out mentors who can help you achieve your goals. Identify potential mentors in your field, reach out to them, and establish a regular schedule for mentorship meetings. Habit 23. Volunteer for causes you're passionate about. Volunteering allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and give back to the community. Find causes that align with your values and interests. Research volunteer opportunities in your area and dedicate a specific amount of time each month to volunteer work. Habit 24. Practice generosity. Acts of kindness and generosity can create opportunities for growth and advancement. Look for ways to help others without expecting anything in return. Engage in random acts of kindness regularly and offer your time and expertise to support others in your network. Chapter 7. Long-term success strategies. Sustainable success requires careful planning and strategic thinking. Moreira shares strategies for sustaining financial success and building generational wealth. Habit 25. Set clear, specific goals. Setting detailed goals helps you create a roadmap for achieving your long-term objectives. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps. Write down your goals and review them regularly, adjusting them as needed based on your progress and changing circumstances. Habit 26. Diversify investments. Diversifying your investments helps minimize risk and maximize returns. Spread your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Consult with a financial advisor to develop a diversified investment portfolio and regularly review and adjust your investments based on market conditions and your financial goals. Habit 27. Protect your assets. Protecting your assets through estate planning, insurance, and risk management ensures long-term financial security. Develop a comprehensive plan to protect your wealth. Create a will and set up trusts to manage your estate. Obtain insurance policies that cover health, life, property, and liability risks, and implement risk management strategies to safeguard your investments and assets. With that said, thank you for joining us on this journey through Million Dollar Habit. Remember, success is not a destination. It's a journey that requires consistent effort, commitment, and mindset. By implementing the strategies and exercises outlined in this book, you have the power to transform your financial future and live a life of abundance and prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, keep striving for greatness.